Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Bravik.
Steve.
Yeah.
Yazi ngizokhuluma something yes.
Yeah.
I think ngcono ngisupporta ama-fans wethu.
Yeah.
Than supporting my team at the moment. Nomuntu obekakhuluma lapha Steve. Yazi uthinta amanye amagama serious.
Yeah.
Yazi culture eSundowns yonke imoshekile.
Slow.
We've lost our culture, Steve. At the moment, yes, I can celebrate the win. But for how long will I be celebrating fluke wins? This is a fluke win, Steve. Our coach, you know when they call him that is a plumber.
Yeah.
A plumber is a better because he can fix something. I don't know what we can call our coach at the moment. You know, yeah. Let's just be honest, Steve. Ezinye izinto kufanele sizikhulume njengoba zinjalo. Uyazi uke wayibona phi formation ama-player wonke la ina e-center line mayesusibhola be-11. What type of formation is that? And does our coach have a plan B when we are under pressure?
It doesn't.
Do we just have to score one goal? Singashaya igoli elilodwa kuphelile nge-Sundowns.
No.
I-Sundowns esiyaziyo Steve. We know ukuthi bingashaya igoli elilodwa. Kuzolandela elinye kulandela elinye kulandela elinye. Uyabona mabethi injury time.
Yes.
Siyacala ukulishaya Steve, siyadlala. But at the moment siphathe inhliziyo ngezandla. What does that mean? Always people say Bravik is always complaining. He doesn't give credit where it's true. I always give credit where it's true. That's why I highly speak of Pirates. You know what? We can hate Pirates as much as we like. But let's just face reality. It is the best team in the country, and they are doing so well. They proved, even today they proved to us last week. Without the players which would plan the game against, and he changed the team. And today when Arrows equalized, what did Pirates do? Are we there to play low block as Sundowns as the defending champion?
No.
Where is that type of flair which we played when we were in FIFA Club World Cup? This coach is here to destroy our national team. We can't only be believing in Pirates to stand in for our national team. Okay, I'll count 4 players who represented us in the national under-20 team. Lishako, Habumulimo Kekana, Mapena, and the captain, Tiwani. We are struggling in the left side.
They are not playing.
But he still just leaves it like that. And this substitute is just creme work. Why doesn't he play Shalulile and Reyners at the same time?
I don't understand.
And you're asking yourself, where is all the players which we know, which are in the Sundowns team? But these so-called South American players come in. They come into the starting lineup just like that. We love. I don't actually love Katoso. I hate him. I don't care what whoever says what. I love Sundowns. That's why each and every game I'm always there. But for the management to let us down so much, you know what? They can say we are winning. Steve, soon we'll be going to FIFA break. They'll be playing in Morocco in the CAF. And when they come back, it's Champions League. And how many games are we going to be behind? With this type of play, we're not going anywhere. And still, if it wasn't for Sailor and Ronan Williams, It's only these other teams they just scared of Sundowns. Whenever they see this jersey, they just thinking of what Pitso and Rulane and Mangoba left in the team. But Cardoso is here just to destroy all that hard work and just throw it in the dustbin. But our management doesn't hear us when we complain. We're not complaining that we hate Cardoso. I don't mind changes. As you change the style of play, bring results which are convincingly. Don't bring results which will always be doubtful. At the moment, Stivo, you know what? People can say whatever they want, but this is not the Sundowns of yesteryears. This is not Sundowns of the yesteryears. So I hope this message will get to the management. Please act sooner before it's too late. Yes, I thank you, Stivo. And you know what, Stivo? Please organize me this jacket. I don't care whether it's costing 2,000 or 3,000. I want it. I want to be the part of our fans.
Thank you, Pravik.
Much better.
Thank you, Pravik. Thank you, Pravik. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?